Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make DIY tan remover at home. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make DIY tan remover scrub as well as tan remover mask by using just a key ingredient, coffee. You don't have to go to parlors and invest your time and money for tan removing. You just need to follow some steps and let's get started. But before that, if you are new to the channel, my name is Uditi. Please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video on YouTube. So let's begin.
Apart from tan removing, coffee helps you in getting glowing skin. It tightens your skin, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, reduces dark spots, gives clear skin, reverses sun damage, and brightens your skin tone. Your coffee scrub and your coffee mask would look something like this. To begin with coffee scrub, you will need some coffee powder, some powdered sugar, and olive oil. Take 1 teaspoon of coffee powder in a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar in it, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil in it, mix it well to get consistency like this. I will demonstrate the application of scrub on my left foot. It is clearly visible how much suntan had loved me lately. I'll apply the coffee scrub on my terribly tanned foot. Scrub it nicely on washed foot for 5 to 10 minutes. Then wash it again with some cold water. Now for making coffee mask, you will need coffee powder, gram flour or besan, honey, and some curd. Take 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, add 1 teaspoon of gram flour or besan, add 1 teaspoon of honey and 2 teaspoon of curd. Then mix it well. You will get something like this. The coffee mask is ready to use. I am applying the coffee mask on the same foot. Apply it thoroughly. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it well with some cold water. And this is the finished result. Can you see the difference? Left foot is treated with the scrub and mask. You have to do it twice a week and can see the results by yourself. I've demonstrated the application on my foot, but you can apply it on your face and body also.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, comment below and tell me how helpful this video was for you. Subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and please comment below what type of video you would want me to do next. So till then, bye bye.